I'm unboxing my Grove Collaborative. I ordered it yesterday and it came today. It's a fairly good sized box and I just unpackaged it and packaged pretty well, probably because of the cleaning supplies. And this is the packing slip. So this is the free stuff. Walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. There's a package of 2. And then this was free, a 16-ounce spray bottle. It's glass. And then I got orange and rosemary glass cleaner. Okay. And then this is another freebie, lemon verbena dish soap. And then I got a Method antibacterial, which I purchased. It was part of the required $20 minimum purchase for your free gifts. So I got the Spearmint bathroom cleaner. Okay. And then I got the Myers Clean Day. And this is the hand soap. This was free, or part of the free gift. And I got the lavender scent. I love lavender. So this is my Method. So now I have Myers. And they're both, that Method is a dish soap. But now I got Myers lavender soap. And then I got a Myers Clean Day. I think that's the brand, Myers Clean Day. Everything has Clean Day on it. And this is their multi-surface peppermint scent. And I have the multi-cleaner and basil. So now I have that one. And this is my bubble up jar. And I think that's it. So we'll check them out.